Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add Discord music bot to your server. First, go to any browser, search for music bot Discord, scroll down, tap on this, scroll down, click on invite. Now log into your Discord account. Select any server. Now open your Discord app. Dankland bot has been added. Now type for all commands. Here you can see all the commands. Type dot setup. Then join a Discord voice channel. Tap on join voice. Now type .p your singer or song name. Now my song is playing. In this way you can add Discord music bot to your server. So this was a process by which you can add Discord music bot to your server. If you find this video helpful, please